What's the meaning of blindfold? Blindfold. Blindfold.
Blindfold. Blindfold. A blindfold is a piece of cloth used to cover the eyes, often as a form of restraint or sensory deprivation. It can be used in various contexts, such as games like Pin the Tail on the Donkey, or for certain meditation practices. It is also commonly used in BDSM activities as a way to enhance sensory experiences or as a form of power exchange. In some cultures, blindfolds are used in religious rituals or as a means of punishment. However, blindfolds can also have negative connotations when they are used to obscure truth and hide reality from people, hence the phrase being kept in the dark.